oil,
yes,
milk, sugar, 2 cups of flour, and baking. What?
Baking powder and vanilla.
Yeah.
Now we will put the eggs in it.
Yeah. First, crack it. Whoop! Oh. Another one for you. And one for me, okay?
Okay.
Whoa. So it's my turn.
Yes, it is. Okay, be careful.
Oh, I'm gonna.
No!
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna wash my hands, sister. Yeah. So it's done. It's okay.
Let's mix.
Now we will mix. Yeah. Can I mix with you? Oh. Come on, mix a little bit more. I think this
Guys, the oven is working, so the oven can be warm for the cake.
Yeah. So I think it's enough. Nuts.
Okay, you did it.
Yeah.
Let me see. You had it.
So I think we should put our stuff. So guys, you are gonna mix it so well. So it's your turn to.
Yeah, okay. Mix.
Oh. Whoa, it makes so much sound. Oh no. Okay. So I think it's baking powder.
No, it's not baking powder.
Oh.
Okay.
So guys, look.
Okay, let me mix it.
Yeah.
Mix it.
I think this is sugar. I'll just then we are gonna need some oil.
Okay, here's the oil.
So put
My sister, let's put it in.
oh my god.
Okay, mix. Wow, the color is so smooth.
Yeah,
I like it.
the cake is gonna look so good right now.
And I have a turn?
Yeah. What? Oh.
Look guys, it's even hanging together.
Yeah, I think we need some
Baking powder, put it in. Okay, and mix.
and flour.
Okay, let me put one flour. Put it in. Oh. Okay, let me mix one first.
Can I put the other one?
No. I want to put it, please.
Okay.
Baking.
Can I mix a little bit?
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Be careful, it's so hard.
It smells so good.
I want it to be a chocolate cake.
A normal cake, not a chocolate cake.
Okay, look at inside up here.
We finished all the ingredients. No? Looks it. it a little bit more, and we are gonna put it in the
Guys,
oven.
look, it's so hard to mix.
I think it's gonna. It's so easy.
It's so easy for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, it's so
It's
smooth.
slimy.
Yeah.
Slimy.
Like slime.
Like slime, yeah.
Okay. So
It's so hard, Pasar.
it's not hard for me. Look, it's so precious.
Oh, guys, look. It's so slimy. I think it's ready. Come on, look. Okay, let's taste it.
No, guys, she tasted it.
It's ready.
It's not ready.
I'm gonna go get the thing when I put it in the thing.
I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, I bring it.
Put it right beneath me.
Can you put this out?
Yeah. Okay, let's put this there. And oh. No. Oh my god.
It's so slippery.
Oh.
Okay. Brother, it doesn't go like that. We just wait.
What about
Okay,
this
I
cup
just-
of flour?
Now it's ready. The cake when we make.
Let me help
So,
you.
okay, can you open the door?
Uh,
Okay, close it. Brother, why don't you open the light from the cake? Let's see of it ready.
yeah. Look, our cake.
I think our cake is gonna be tasty and tasty.
Yeah.
I want to put chocolate on my cake.
We are making normal cake.
But I'm gonna put the chocolate on my cake.
What?
On mine.
Oh, okay.
My house. Now we will put this dirty stuff in the sink
Yeah.
to wash them.
So slippery. What about these two? Where they go? And I'm gonna do like that, so we need more.
Okay. First, we'll wash.
If we are done, we are gonna put just and cups right there, and this one I'm gonna put it right there, and so sorry, I'm gonna wash it here so it won't fall down. Yeah.
We even have to wash the done with so it gets squeaky clean.
Yeah. Look how clean this is.
Oh no.
Let's put this here.
Don't put it in the sink.
You first one down. Yeah. Hello. It's okay. I'm gonna wash it clean. Clean. Finish. So we are gonna water our hands.
No. What about these?
Oh, I forgot. Remove this thing. Here, you can have some. Here you go. It's done.
Almost splash.
Here's the phone. So fun. Sister. Okay. And look. Stop.
Now guys, it's done, so it has to dry, so let's dry it up.
Yeah, over here. Ta-da! In. There we go. It's so clean.
Yes, it's squeaky clean. I always say squeaky clean because it's squeaky clean.
I always
Like a squeak.
Now the cake is finished. Let's go take it out. Look. Let's put the bucket there. Let's close it. Oh, let's flip it. So our cake is done, guys. Ella wants some a cake. She wants some chocolate cake. So let's put chocolate. Come on. Okay. We need a little bit more chocolate. It's done.
Guys, this cake tastes so good.
Do you like our cake?
It's so good.
I'm glad you like our cake.
Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.